What's good, people? It's your boy Panda, straight from Panda Vlogs, back here with another Thoughtful Tuesdays. And today's thought is, don't let anybody validate you. You are your own validator. When I say that, I mean to say, okay, people put things on your, situations on you, or you cannot do this, or you're only capable of doing this, you're not worthy of doing this. Who are they to say that what? Who are they to say what you can or what you cannot do? You are your own validator. Do not let people validate your worth. Know your worth. Know your self-worth. You know what you can and what you cannot do. You understand? If you want to do something, you put work towards it. You set up yourself in a situation that will make you, you know what I mean, develop or advance you into doing what you want to do. Who are they to say what you can and what you cannot do? Yes, me no repeat myself, but I try to get it across clearly. You are your own validator. Don't make anybody validate you. More times when people try to validate you, it's things they wanted to do themselves and they find that they cannot do it. Or they never had the willpower to succeed in doing it. Not succeed, they never had the willpower to endure doing it. Sorry, you know what I mean? As me say, this is straight raw content. I not edit nothing. If me say a wrong word, so be it. You know what I mean? If me fumble, if me say a sentence out of the way, cool. Because I not edit it, man. Natural thing, natural content. I want you to interact with me as well, you know what I mean? Give me your thoughts down in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the content if it's valuable to you or you find it may be valuable to someone else. You might hear a little background, a little music or so forth. And as you can see, the change of scenery. You know, I just wanted to switch it up a little bit. Right now, I'm at the Woodlands Beach, you know. I just test out the scenery, see what's going on and so forth, etc. So, remember, do not let anyone validate you. You are your own validator. And that is today's Thoughtful Tuesday with your boy Panda. I'm out, man. Have a great week.